Hi, welcome to Kit Plus TV at IBC 2022, and I'm here with Phil at BirdDog. Hi Phil, how are you doing?
Yeah, very well, thanks Matt. You?
Good, yeah, brilliant. So, we're here to find out more about your new PTZ. Tell us a bit more.
Yeah, so this is our new PTZ camera, the P240. So this
Okay.
is replacing our very much loved P200 camera.
Yeah.
So it's just a generation update to add in some additional functionality, change the overall design, increase the zoom, add in things like the OLED screen, which we added onto the P110, the P120 that people have absolutely loved. And added in balanced audio and some additional functionality as well, just to make them more usable and to go into sort of broadcast environments a little bit better with that.
And what information can we get on the OLED screen on the front?
So the OLED screen really just gives you basic information, but key information that you need. So resolution, and IP address, which is the really
IP address.
big one.
I've had that exact problem this morning, so that's fantastic. Yeah, that's really good. And it's replacing a camera. Where does the price point sit? Is it more expensive then?
No, so this is the old camera here. So this is the P200 that it's replacing.
Yeah.
So it's going to come in at exactly the same price as the P200.
Okay,
we're actually
cool.
dropping the price on the P200 at the show here. We announced it to make way for obviously.
Are you continuing on with the 200 just as an aside, or for a while?
We've got some stock left, so until the old stock runs out, it will be available.
Great,
and then
brilliant.
it will be the new P240.
But then that'll be the baby.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So where can we send people to find out more?
So you come and see us at IBC. Obviously we're here, we're in Hall 6, stand A19. You can visit our website, which is BirdDog.tv.
Brilliant.
Or visit our YouTube
YouTube channel.
Well.
Yeah, okay, brilliant. Thank you very much. Don't forget to log on to all of the other videos that we're doing at the show, and we'll see you next time.